Greetings everyone, I am Priyal.
And I'm Tanmay.
And we welcome you to the May edition of Khaitan News.
Let's take a look at the headlines.
KPS stars shine in CBSE exams, bringing laurels for the school.
Tech-savvy students unleashes their creativity. Khaitan School Noida wins coveted Technovation title.
Middle school students gleam with happiness as they're awarded for academic, artistic and athletic accomplishments.
KPS honors the legacy of Guru Rabindranath Tagore. Mesmerizing performance by the arts department showcases Tagore's enduring influence on arts and education.
Students of KWS and KPS laugh away on World Laughter Day. Our heartfelt congratulations to the star performers at Khaitan Public School. These exceptional students have set a new standard of excellence with their outstanding achievements. Let's applaud Tanmay Mohan for his remarkable score of 99.4% in PCM, Nishta Khatri for her impressive 98.4% in Commerce, Prerna Thakur for her outstanding 98.6% in Arts, and Charvi Rao for her brilliant 97% in PCB. Their stellar performances are a testament to their hard work, dedication, and the supportive environment fostered at Khaitan Public School.
My success mantra is make everything a competition. If you are top 10 in the periodic examination, maybe you can try to make yourself top 5 in the half yearly. If you're top 5 in the half yearly, try to be top 3 in the pre-boards. If you're top 20 in your class, you're not gonna suddenly be number 1 in the boards. Try to make everything a competition and rise up through the ranks. Make it a game, and that's how you're gonna go up and be successful for yourself.
My parents, I don't think they deserve this words wala explanation. They have, I don't know, whatever they have done for me. And honestly, if I speak, I didn't work hard for myself. It's all for my parents and my grandparents. I just wanted to make them proud, make them feel happy, and make them feel that whatever they have invested in me, that is worth it. And today, seeing them this happy and just their faces are shining with proud, I feel so happy. I feel so happy.
Now I'm finally a school pass out, so I'm very, very happy. And I'm also very happy that I've been able to achieve a tag of a commerce topper. And I've scored 98.4%, so I'm feeling very proud of myself. And now I hope that I would get the same results in my university admission test as well, and will get the best university.
The second edition of our Tech Fest, Technovation, was an absolute hit. The event was a goldmine of opportunity for the tech-savvy youth, offering them a platform to showcase their creativity and designing skills. The event was full of different categories, and some of them were product design, brand design, DJ Jam, RoboMaze, and coding in action. Well, if you think it was just a competition, then you're wrong. Because it was a platform for discussion, debate, collaboration, and showcasing your technological acumen.
तो टेक्नोवेशंस में मैंने क्या चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस करा, माय मिशन इज़ टू मेक एजुकेशन प्रैक्टिकल। तो हम दो चीज़ पे बात कर रहे हैं कि मेमोराइजेशन टू क्रिएशन, एंड आज मैंने ये चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस करा, अच्छा लगा। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि मेरे को यहाँ पे एज अ ज्यूरी एक्सीडेंटली आई जस्ट गॉट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू जज द इवेंट, एंड इट वाज लिटरली वेरी अमेजिंग। एंड थैंक्स फॉर खैतान पब्लिक स्कूल, एंड दैट्स ऑल, एंड दे आर लिटरली डूइंग अ वेरी ग्रेट वर्क। थैंक यू।
I am Basil Albert and I am a director in HCL Technologies.
Sir, what is your thought about this event?
Very innovative. I am thrilled to see the young minds at work. Very exciting events, I would say. And I can see so much of intelligent work being done by the students. I'm amazed to see the kind of projects that the guys are working on, the platform that they're using, technology at its best, I would say. Very nice.
Sir, thank you for this.
Middle School Recognition Day was a joyous occasion celebrating the achievements of middle school. Honored guests Principal Mr. Anand Kumar, and Director of Education Ms. Mamta Kapoor joined in recognizing the academic, artistic, and athletic achievements. Cheers filled the auditorium, showcasing students' dedication and were awarded for their academic, artistic, and athletic accomplishments. Additionally, students were commended for embodying kindness, compassion, and resilience, reflecting the school's values.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों के होने साथ, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो भी उधार, किसी के वास्ते ही तेरे दिल में बात, जीना इसी का नाम है।
The 163rd birth anniversary of the Bengali genius Rabindranath Tagore was celebrated at Khaitan. The celebration at KPS paid homage to Tagore's legacy with a captivating cultural program themed Tagore and Education System. The morning was filled with poetry, dance, and songs beautifully showcasing Tagore's enduring influence on education and arts. Under the guidance of Anusuya Ghosh Banerjee, our cultural head, students from the preparatory, middle, and senior schools delivered mesmerizing performances that left the audience spellbound. News from Khaitan World School.
Khaitan World School. Laughter echoed through the classes as we celebrated World Laughter Day in true KWS style. Our students were engaged in read aloud, funny storytelling sessions, and making smiley emojis. Activities that brought out bright smile and hearty laughs. Laughter is more than just a momentary giggle. It's a powerful tool that fosters community, enhances well-being, and spreads happiness. Let's not confine the laughter to just one day. Let's make it a part of every day.
Yeah.
चिंटू अपनी मम्मी से पूछता है, मम्मी क्या मैं पढ़ाई करते करते टीवी देख लूं? मम्मी कहती है हाँ, लेकिन टीवी ऑन मत करना.
That's all from the newsroom. I'm Tanmay.
And I am Priya.
And enjoy your summer vacations and keep watching Khaitan News.